How do we feel today?
Sick AF. I'm sick.
She's sick because she probably ate some.
I think it's seafood. Poisoning. I'm gonna stay in today.
This is the beach. You can see how big the waves are as compared to Singapore. Okay, we are supposed to go to the museum, this museum, but then it was like raining so heavily and I don't think we can even walk inside the museum. So the driver just brought up here for free, but I just tipped him. And look, there are a lot of dogs here. So this is the temple, the Chua Lin Am temple. Yeah, it's so foggy we can't even see anything. After like, I don't know, 10 minutes or something, we are just going back to the hotel now with the same driver. We're going to the Han market now. Finally going on the Dragon Bridge. Right now we're at Han Market and it's completely sheltered, so there's one place that you guys can go if it is raining. These are really good. Oh, this is really good. Look at this place. They sell like this cheongsam and it's super nice and it's like all tailor-made. It's so nice. I just bought these for around $9 a pack, which is around 30 cents per sachet, which is not very cheap, but this Mr. Beard coffee is known to be expensive and I've tried it before and it's super good. We're making a stop here at Hue Coffee. We are drinking salt coffee right now. How do you feel? How is it?
It's great, it's very strong. So I think you should have a sip of the coffee and then have a sip of their tea.
Yeah, it even comes with this tea. Quite nice. We're here now at the pizza company. We were supposed to go to 4P Pizza, but I went to the wrong one. And apparently it's 1 for 1, so we got 2 for $11? Yeah, $11. We just arrived at the Pond Market after having lunch. It looks a lot less crowded than Han Market. And
Because of the rain.
yeah, I think now the rain is a lot bigger. Yeah, let's see what I can find here. Okay, we just landed at this mall. We walked here with our new raincoats. Look, this is my new raincoat. We just bought a new raincoat at a supermarket, hypermarket. We're here just to find isotonic drink, which is most likely there. So we're getting, or rather I am getting dinner right now. They're all just like sleeping in a room because it's like raining super heavily and there's like nowhere we can go. So I'm just gonna go to this nearby restaurant to get like some Vietnamese food for dinner. It looks like their house, like this is where they live.
Good morning, everyone. Today is our 4th day here. We're having breakfast. It feels like my 3rd day because I was just stuck in the hotel yesterday. What are you eating? What's that?
I don't know, some kueh, but it's very good.
Is it rice or what?
I don't know what's in
It
there.
was wrapped in bamboo leaf. No, that's not bamboo, but that's banana.
It's like tapioca cake apparently.
We decided not to stay another day in Da Nang, so we're gonna head to Hoi An today to get our clothes tailored early, and then we'll have our clothes washed as well.
Okay, we're finally going now. And Ern is finally here. We are going to laundry An first to get our laundry done. We are now here at Bari Taylor and yeah, we just reached.
So while I was getting his pants fitted, and Eun is choosing her design for her flower dress.
The one with the pocket or no?
For what?
All dressed up in a tape. So they say that walking in Hoi An like in the rain is nice, right? And I honestly agree, because this whole place is like you can't drive in here, so it's like quite nice.
There are a lot of tailors here.
Yeah, like a whole lot of tailors. And right now we're just gonna get coffee.
I think the coffee like a bit sour, but I like the hot chocolate.
I feel like I get why they put salt in their coffee, but like I feel like in here they overdid it. The Hue coffee, like salt coffee, was perfect. It was like the right amount of saltiness.
Oh, someone ordered durian coffee. Yeah, I smell the
So we're gonna head towards Two Ladies Tailor now to find Tasha. We're now at Two Ladies Tailor. Their catalog is on Instagram and it's really comprehensive. I think the fabrics here are a lot nicer also.
No promotion?
No formal shirt for me.
Yeah.
Thanks. They're doing their magic now. We're walking to the Hoi An Cuisine restaurant now for lunch. I think one cool thing about the tailor is that they just quote you the price in USD. But honestly, out of the two, right, Bari Tailor and Two Ladies, right, I feel like Two Lady had like better customer service. We're here at Hoi An Cuisine.
They are making our bun over there.
Thank you.
Hey shit, my phone is inside. Why are you looking about that? Wow. Shabby's trying to like buy a camera, and then she was like helping her take some photos with the camera.
Look, they're making that.
Oh yeah, just when I close my umbrella.
He decided that he wanted to touch the water. Hey, you don't fall inside her.
Rising sea level.
Oh my god! Is that a sheep? Oh my god, it's a dog. Wait, is it alive?
Yes, it is. I'm finally sitting behind for once.
Tomorrow I can sing a chorus.
We're going back now.
Still wait in your house.
You're so bad at it. How?
Okay. You can see that.
Oh, Kamima right at your door.
Yeah. Oh my god, there's a dolphin statue. I want
Yeah,
that.
I saw that.
Wow, we didn't expect Pizza 4P to look like this. I thought it was some
Yeah,
very local restaurant. This place is insane. Look at this. And we're wearing slippers because we thought it was gonna be like a fast food restaurant. This is the perfect cheese fondue. This is insane. Look at this pizza.
like when mom bakes, you know.